channel! Today we have puppets! I've got 3 pink ones and 1 blue, and we're gonna pop them to find out what's in here. I have never seen these before, I have no idea, so let's find it out. So let's start with the first one. I'm gonna do a pink one. Let's see, I have to pop it. Let's hope you guys can see. Whoa! There we go. We got confetti in here. We've got 2 blind bags. This was our topper. So just put it over here. And we have like this really curly, nice, sparkly confetti. Let's start with a small blind bag first. Oh, it's beads. It's a piece of string and beads, so we can make a bracelet with this. Let's do that in a second. Just first find out what's in the other blind bag. We have a unicorn. Look at that, that's really cute. Unicorn, and it has wings. Oh, I love that it's nice and pink and a big blue bright eyes. Oh, that's cool. I'm just gonna take a second and I'm gonna piece this bracelet together and we'll be right back. So here we're back with our unicorn and I have fixed the beads. Look at that, it has little flowers and nice green beads, and there's a dolphin right here. So I think it's gonna make a nice necklace for our unicorn. Awesome! Alright, let's pop our next one. Let's put this one aside here. Let's do another pink one and find out if every pink one contains the same thing. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, pop! More confetti. It's a small one and a big one. Oh, sorry guys. Opening the small one first. Oh, it's something else. It's a purse. It's a little purse. Oh. And this is a lollipop. Okay, I'm really excited about this one. Let's find out what we got here. It's a girl. Oh, that's really cool. I was not expecting that at all. And she can hold her lollipop like that, and in the other hand she can hold the purse. Look how cute she is. Oh, I love that. So cool. Let's put it next to her unicorn body. Alright, let's do the blue one. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, pop it. Ooh, it's got a lot more confetti in that one. Ooh, and something to do with cars. It's gonna be exciting. Look at all the confetti. Wow, the boys get way more confetti than the girls do. There's only 1 blind bag. Let me put a little bit of the confetti on the side here with the girl and the unicorn. So. Ooh, that's lots of pieces. This is going to be a car by the looks of it. Look, this is what it is. You see that? You got a blue, a yellow, a green or a red car. So I'm just gonna put that together. Alright guys, it took a long time. This was really hard, but it's like a transformer car. You have the head of your robot, and if you do something like this, which is so difficult, I'm betting you guys are much better at this than I am, but if you click it like that, now it's a car. You see that? That's really cool. I think there are lots of great toys in these. So that's the car. And you can probably turn it back into a robot again if you pull this and open these and then pop the head. Oh, you have to pop the hood first, obviously. There it is. Look, and now it's a robot again. So that is cool, really cool. Let's make it a car and put him with the others. So there he is. So parked right there. We have our last one, which is a pink one again. Oh, sorry. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, pop! Oh, more confetti. This was the race car. 2 bags again. Lots of confetti. Lots and lots and lots. So, that's confetti central there. Let's see what's in this one. Oh, it's the beads again. Different colors though. So that's the beads. And in this one we have another unicorn. Oh, this one's really pretty too. Look at that. She has blue wings. Cool. So I'm going to make her necklace as well. And then we put her with the others. So you know how cool people sometimes drop a bead? Well, I dropped the beads many times when I was making this. So instead of a necklace, I have a unicorn earring, which she can gracefully hang around her ear, which is really cool as well. And I'll look for the beads some other times because they're really everywhere on the floor right now. So let's put her back here with the others. We have these 4 toys that came out of our pub fizz surprises, which were much cooler than I thought that they would be. Out of these 4, I think I'm loving the yellow unicorn with her earring the best. I also really like the car because it changes into a robot. I mean, who does not like that? Why don't you guys leave in the comments which one of these 4 you like the best? And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. And I love to see you next time for a new video. So bye bye!